How to remove slow motion effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and locate the clip that has the slow motion effect you want to remove. Next, select the clip on the timeline by clicking on it and look at the speed percentage displayed directly on the clip in the timeline. Click the small arrow next to the speed percentage and select Change Speed option. Then, change the speed back to 100% to remove the slow motion effect. If there are any speed segments or keyframes slowing down part of the clip, make sure to adjust each segment speed to 100% for normal playback. Finally, play the clip to confirm the slow motion effect is completely removed and the video plays at regular speed. And that's it. Now you know how to remove slow motion effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.